Welcome back, everyone. Today's today. Breakfast? Huh? You want breakfast? You do? Well, come on, let's get you some breakfast. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on, Chris. Come on, little ones. Hi, little nuggets. What y'all doing? Yeah, today's your day. Y'all got big enough. Yeah. Now, come on. Watch out, don't put your head right above it, silly. Welcome back at Tanya's place. I'm Tanya. Today's the day. I'm not looking forward to doing this, but it is time to do it, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Come on. I have dragged this day out as long as I could. But my little ones are ready to come out. It is always so nerve-wracking to me integrating my baby chicks with the bigger chickens. The reason I have kind of waited longer this time because Prissy and Teddy, our kittens, are big hunters and they bring me gifts all the time. I want to let the little ones out. And here she comes already. Come here, baby. Come here. So Teddy, she likes to hunt, and I kind of gave her a little nickname. She's like my little chicken kitty. I'm sorry, she's my little chicken kitty because she hangs around with the chickens all the time. I feed them, there she is. I clean stuff, there she is. Aren't you? Yeah. But yeah, she's been actually really good, and Teddy, Prissy, because I had a mice problem for a while, and now I don't anymore because of these special kitties right here. And they just like hanging out with the chickens. So I never had cats before that like to hang out with chickens. But today we got to be a good kitty because we're going to let the baby chicks out. Well, they're not babies anymore, but we're going to let them out, and you got to be nice to them, okay? You can't be ugly to them and not chase them, okay? I know, you're such a sweet girl. I love you. She's my little snuggle bug. But anyway, let's go ahead and take the netting down. And let's see how the big chickens do with the little ones. And the kitties are going to do with the chickens. I know. You're such a sweet girl. So I just love lots of lovins. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's do this. But before I can take the netting down, I got to take that black fabric cloth down because it's hanging over the chicken netting, the fence. So I got to get that off so I can move them out. So let's do this. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, but I will manage. Yeah, I gotta get something to pull this up. This ground is so hard. Got it! So I got all the netting removed. That was a booger bear to do. And roaming around already, looking for shelter because it's pretty hot and humid. So now they can move around better and get out of there. Get out. You're not a chicken. Get out. That's chicken food. Get your little hiney out of there. Come on. No, you're not a chicken. Get out of the coop. You're such a silly cat. Come on, get out. You gotta get out of there. You gonna get your sip of water? You are a crazy cat. Come on, Tutty, get out of there. Come on, get out. Come on, get you out of there. Come on. Not a chicken. No, you're not. You're not a chicken. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for the little ones to come out. What do you say? There's fall coming right there. We're gonna have to see what they're gonna do. They're all wandering around somewhere. Quit! They're not under there. Grass is so high again, still here. Where did they go? They're hiding. I got hiding chickens. They're playing hide and seek with me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You gonna fall off. You gonna fall off. Yes, you are. You're gonna fall off. You silly kitty. Whoops, almost. 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 You're so silly kitty. They're all checking out the empty nesting box and the empty coop. But the little ones are hiding somewhere, and Teddy went back into the little coop area. You gonna go in there? Hiding. Y'all can roam around and y'all go under the coop now, aren't you? Yeah, well come on. Y'all can roam around now. Come on, little ones. Come on. Come. I'm just melting away. I'm gonna keep an eye on them, see how they're doing. There are so many ways you can integrate your chickens with the big ones, and it's hot. And so I'm just gonna keep an eye on them and see how they're doing. So far they were being good anyway, because when the big chickens got into the area, they just run around them and they really didn't bother them, or they got real close to the netting. So they knew each other, and that helped a lot. But just to get them, just put them in with the big ones, I would not recommend. It's because of that reason, because they're going to get attacked from the bigger chickens. Everybody has their own way how to integrate the chickens. Some people do it this way and other people do it that way. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that's what I would recommend to do. But making sure they get to know each other through a netting or a different area they can see each other will make a big difference. Because like I said, you cannot just throw the baby chicks when they get big enough with the big chicks, because it's like a new bird in the group, and I'm not going to lock you because I'm going to bully you. So to stop the bullying, they're still going to get bullied a little bit because they're younger, but they know each other through the netting, and they've seen each other. They're, walked around beside each other. So this is going to help a lot for them to integrate with the big chickens. As a new chicken mama, when I was new, I was stressing out so much about this because I was so afraid of them, afraid for them that they're going to get hurt. But I learned quick that they will adjust and they get moved, get picked on a little bit, and they all run around their own way. I have a lot of room here, so they can go different ways, so it's not that bad for them to move around and get too crowded. Now, if you have a smaller area and you integrate the baby chicks with, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because you have a smaller space they can get away with. But you do what you can do. Try not to overcrowd your chickens with too many chickens in a small space, because they will get picked on. They'll pick on each other, they'll pull feathers, they'll hurt each other just because there's not enough room. So make sure when you do get chickens, don't overcrowd them. And if you go to get those little chicken coops that you can say there are 5 to 8 chickens in there, go less, because they grow really fast and they get bigger. So keep that in mind when you get chickens. This video helped a little bit to kind of show you how you can integrate with the chickens. You have seen in the past videos that when I was working with them, you could see them through the netting and how they interact with each other. So if you have not seen those videos, go back on my playlist and go check with the chickens when I work around them and in the gardening and stuff like that, updates and all the stuff. So check those out. If you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you, and I really appreciate your support. I'm just trying to take everybody along for things that I learned through the years with my chickens and gardening, and it's just, it's kind of nice to share it with somebody. I would appreciate if you'll push subscribe and kind of let me know what your thoughts on my videos are, so I know what not to do on videos and what to do on videos and things you like the most. So that would be helpful. But over there at the farm, and I finished putting up the raised boxes, and I finished the fabric off, and I'll give you all a tour at the farm here very shortly. Lay down all the fabric where I wanted to put right now. The grass has gotten pretty big again. I mean, really tall again. So we have to weed it and mow some more over there. But I got the fabric down. That was the most important thing to me right now, to get get control over the area. And I put all my boxes together, my raised boxes, in the place where I wanted them. And I got one more area I have to work on, but I'm gonna get there. But overall, it's coming along. I'm really happy about it, and my babies are out roaming around. They have not really acted with the big ones so far because they're all in a different area right now because it's pretty hot and very humid. So I hope y'all have a blessed day. God bless y'all. Stay cool. See y'all next video. Bye.